I'm going to show you how to do the wireless scanning, printing and copy. So first step is to connect this printer with any device. For example, I have connected it with iPhone, and download the printer in your HP Smart app. Open the app, go to the home button, and you will see the printer scan option is available here. So simply click on that. Now we can use top feeder tray for multiple scannings. So let's do the automatic document feeder scanning. So place the pages like this. Change the settings from the setting icon. We can change it. You can also do the black or color scanning and click on the done button. Click blue icon. And here you will see the both pages are available, and if you want you can save it or share it. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless printing. Simply open any document in your device and then click on the print icon. It will show up the details. You have to select your printer, and once you are ready, click on the print icon. Now I'm going to show you how to do the copy. Open the top lid, place any page ID document here facing downwards, and then we go to the display panel, go to the home button. You will see the copy icon, click on it, select if it is a document, photo or ID card. You can change the printing option here like two-sided or one-sided, and then color or black, number of copies. And once you do everything, click on the print button. So this way we can do the wireless printing, scanning and copy. Thanks for watching.